Good day. I am Leila Ella Espinsico, the leader and programmer of this group, together with
I am Joe Manuel, the designer of this group.
I am Amin Navarro, the encoder. I am Marian Fuentes, researcher. I am Crystal Jean de Lima, the researcher of this group.
the name of our website is Food House Catering Services. We decided to make this catering services website because of my personal business. Our logo is consists of different colors like red, white, and yellow. On the top of our website, you can see our banner together with the logo below. The banner, you can see the navigation bar with the links and buttons that we direct the user to the different pages of our website. The navigation bar consists of links like home, main dish, appetizer, and dessert, where you can see the images and prices of our product. When you click Contact Us, where you can see the comments and feedback, contact number of the personnel in charge in website. And in About Us, where you can see our mission, vision, and goal of our website. Thanks for watching of our video. We hope in this video we can give you idea in website.